Hello everybody. Do you want to run your own LLM locally without doing everything from the command line? Today we'll look at an easy way to do that using two awesome open source tools, OpenWebUI and Ollama. Go to the openwebui.com website and click on Get OpenWebUI. This will take you to the GitHub repo for OpenWebUI. Scroll down to the section that says How to install and follow the install steps. Take into account if you have a GPU, if you're running it on Docker. Once you've finished installing OpenWebUI, open the application in your browser. In my case, it's on my local host, port 3000. The first time you open it, it will prompt you to create an admin user. Now you are ready to use OpenWebUI. Try some test prompts and play around. OpenWebUI have a lot of features available. In the top right, click on the avatar and select Settings. Then select Admin Settings and Models. Here you can download additional models. If you go to the Connections tab, you can also link it to our OpenAI API if you want more processing power. Also, a really useful feature is to create your own knowledge base from your own documents. On the left navigation pane, go to the workspace, then Knowledge. Here you can upload documents of your own. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.